In this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple YouTube channels under one account and one email. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to youtube.com. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a small menu. From this menu, you want to click on YouTube Studio. If the layout has changed and you can't find the settings from there, you can also click settings directly from the profile menu, but I'll take you through the YouTube Studio route in case you're following along with the newer layout. Once you're in YouTube Studio, you might see a message asking you to continue. Go ahead and press continue if that appears. Now look to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Settings. Click on it and wait a second for it to open. In the Settings menu, click on the Channel tab and then click Advanced Settings. Scroll all the way down in the Advanced Settings section until you see the option that says Manage YouTube Account. Click on that. This will take you to your Google account page for YouTube. It's the same page you would reach if you had clicked on your profile picture from the home page and selected Settings from there. Now that you're on this account management page, look for the section where your channels are listed. Below that, you'll see an option that says Add or Manage Your Channels. Click on that. Give it a moment to load. You'll now see a list of all the YouTube channels linked to your email account. To make a new one, click on the button that says Create a New Channel. You'll now be asked to name your new channel. You can call it anything you like. For example, I'll call this one Video Guide Realm, but you can name yours anything that fits your content. Don't worry, you can change this name later if you want. After you type the name, click on the Create button. You'll see a loading screen for a few seconds. Then you'll be taken straight to your brand new YouTube channel. At the top of the page, you'll also see the link to your new channel. If for some reason you don't automatically switch to the new channel, you can do it manually. Just go to the top right and click on your profile picture. Then select Switch Account. You'll now see a list of all the channels connected to your email. Just click on the one you want to switch to, and that's it. You've now created a second YouTube channel under the same account and email. Thanks for watching.